Let me show you all functions that we can assign to the plus key on OnePlus 15R. So if you go to settings and scroll down over here, we can find the plus key customization. And the first thing that we can do with the plus key, and this is something that is set by default, is of course plus to mindspace. With this option being set up, you can press the plus key once in order to take a screenshot and then save it to the mindspace, and then the mindspace will also summarize it for you. And of course you can also add remarks. Besides that, you can press and hold the plus key in order to toggle the audio recorder, so you can make quick voice memos if you have like some thoughts, some ideas that you want to immediately save. Then of course you can press and hold the plus key, and then you can record yourself, and it's going to be sent to the mindspace as well, with transcription, by the way. Now there is also the double press in order to just quickly jump to the mindspace. Besides that, if you don't want to use the mindspace like that, you can switch to sound and vibration. Over here we can press and hold the plus key in order to switch between a ringtone, the ring mode, I mean the vibrate mode, and the silent mode. There is a similar option but for DND mode, so if you press and hold the plus key, you will just enable or disable DND mode. We can also toggle camera with this plus key, and you can also choose which mode should be activated when you go to the camera with this shortcut. We can also toggle the flashlight by pressing and holding the button. We can use it to make a recording, so this is pretty much like in the case of the plus to mindspace, but in this example the recording goes to the recorder app instead of going to the mindspace. We have a translation where we can translate a text, camera, conversation. We can also toggle live translation and screen translation. And also we can use the button in order to take a screenshot. And last but not least, you can deactivate the plus key completely. You can set up no action. If you want to choose any of these options, you want to use set at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see, many things can be done with the plus key. You can choose whatever feature you like the most. Unfortunately, it still lacks some of the crucial stuff, like for example the option to assign a specific app, so you can quickly open an app of your choice. Unfortunately, this is not available, but perhaps in the future it's going to be added, although who knows. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.